Hello everyone, this is our small blog to Andaman Islands. So let's go. Day 1. We arrive at the hotel and here is the beautiful view from the room. Some time spent on Corbin Cove Beach where you can enjoy water sports as well. From Sports Complex, you can take a ferry ride to Ross Island and North Bay Island, which will cost you around 700 bucks per person for a 5 to 6 hour of trip. We arrive at Ross Island and buy an entry ticket for 30 rupees. Additionally, you can pay 50 rupees extra for an electric vehicle ride which will take you to the top of the island. You can also see some deers roaming freely in the open vicinity. This is the British Senior Officer Club before independence. Information like this will be provided by the tour guide. There is also a small place near the lighthouse to take some nice picture and enjoy the view. I don't really recommend doing the glass boat Coral View in the North Bay Island. It doesn't feel quite worth it. New friends. Some small food vendors and shops can be seen on the island very easily. Make sure to carry some cash with you. On the back side of a 20 rupees note, you can see the same island and the lighthouse. Near Sport Complex, you can come for a pleasant evening walk back in Port Blair. On the way to Chidatapu, you can see many beaches which are neat and clean. The ride is also amazing. At Chidatapu, you can click some nice photos but cannot really go in water, as caution for crocodiles are mentioned everywhere. You can take a government or a private ferry. Since it was COVID time, private ferries were inoperable. Trip to Havelock Island from Port Blair will take around 2.5 hours. Make sure to carry some nausea medicine to avoid seasickness. We stayed for 3 days in Havis Resort at Havelock Island, and it was an amazing place to stay. The room with private pool was relaxing, attached with a big pool. Kalapatthar beach was the most captivating beach among all of the one we visited. We strongly recommend doing scuba diving in Havelock out of all the islands. We'll show you some of the adventures in next video of scuba diving. Until then, bye bye, and yes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel.